Brother Genesis from the church in Valenzuela. But originally I'm from the church in Alcoa. And then, I'm a fourth generation church kid. But, yeah. Before I was in Alcoa. But, wala talaga akong church life. I don't know what is training. Hindi ko alam. I'm a fourth generation church kid, but I know nothing. I know nothing in the church. But, we moved man. Padala ko sa Manila, in church in Valenzuela. And dito ko na baptize. And May 15, 2015, doon ako na-baptize sa church in Valenzuela. And doon ako, siguro, ano ni Lord yun, yung sovereign arrangement ng Panginoon. Because, kung di siguro ako, siguro ako yung buhay nila siguro. Kasi, di siguro ako mag-aid sa Ginoo. Kasi, I'm in my comfort zone. Kaya sinabi ko sa mga kabatch ko, na, ang world yun ako, akong kalibutan is naging sa aluran. Una, magbalik ako, Lord, may the Lord preserve me. And then the Lord, when time goes by, I join the full-time training. And I see Christ, what precious Christ is. Paano ko nakita kung gaano ka-alaga yung Panginoon sa atin. When we consecrate ourselves, we will see what in His heart's desire. His heart's desire is to build up His body. When you are in the training, it will grow. Christ will grow in our view. The larger our heart and the larger capacity. Pagpasok ko sa training, hindi talaga ako marunong English. I don't know how to speak English. But now, medyo natuto ako ng konti. Praise the Lord for